Hi friends, welcome back to Chillin's Clubhouse. Today we're going on a magical animal adventure to find and learn about some animal friends. Let's begin our adventure. Are you ready? Oh wow, look at all these colors. Can you name these colors with me? We have red, pink, green, yellow, orange, purple, and blue. Oh, and look at this! We have a magical bowl of pom-poms. Do you think we will find some animal friends in our magic bowl? Let's find out. Look who we found! It's a turtle! Hello, turtle friend! Our turtle friend wants to choose a color. Which one do you think the turtle will pick? Red? Pink? Green? Yellow? Brown? Orange? Yes, orange! What a great color! Let's roll out this orange Play-Doh nice and flat. Now we'll use our special turtle cutter to make a turtle shape. Look at our orange turtle! Isn't it beautiful? Now let's give him some eyes and color for his shell. That is one great-looking turtle. Did you know that turtles have shells to protect them? Their shells are like little houses they carry everywhere. And some turtles can live for more than 100 years. That's older than your grandparents. Let's see which animal friend we'll find next. Oh, wow! We found an elephant! Hello, elephant. Which color will our elephant friend choose? Red? Pink? Green? Yellow? Blue? Yes, blue. What a wonderful choice! Let's roll out our blue Play-Doh and use our elephant cutter. Now let's give the elephant an eye and some decorations. Look at our blue elephant! So cute! Did you know that elephants are the largest land animals in the world? They can weigh as much as 15 cars. And elephants use their long trunks to pick up food, spray water, and even give hugs to other elephants. Who will we find next in our magical bowl? Let's see. Oh, let's just dump it out! Roar! It's a lion! Hello, lion friend. I wonder which color our lion will choose. Red? Pink? Green? What an interesting choice for a lion! Can the lion balance on the Play-Doh? Not today. Let's roll out our green Play-Doh and make a lion shape. Let's add the lion's name. And let's add a tail. Look at our green lion, so majestic. Did you know that lions are called the king of the jungle? Male lions have big, fluffy manes around their faces. And lions can sleep up to 20 hours a day. That's almost all day long. Back to our magic bowl. Let's see which animal is hiding next. Look, it's a zebra. Hello, zebra friend. Which color will our stripy zebra choose? Red? Pink? Yellow? Brown? Purple? What a fun choice. Let's roll out our purple Play-Doh and use our zebra cutter. Look at our purple zebra! Amazing! Now let's give her an eye and a few stripes. Amazing! What a fun-looking zebra! Did you know that every zebra has different stripes? No two zebras look exactly the same, and baby zebras can run just 1 hour after they're born. I wonder which animal we'll discover next. Oh no! There is no animal in our magic bowl. Oh look, there it is! It's a penguin! Hello, penguin friend! Which color will our penguin friend choose? Red? Pink? Yellow. What a bright and sunny choice. Let's roll out our yellow Play-Doh and make a penguin shape. Now let's add a beak. Its belly. And 2 eyes. Look at our yellow penguin. So adorable. Did you know that penguins can't fly, but they're amazing swimmers? They use their wings like flippers underwater, and penguin parents take turns keeping their eggs warm by balancing them on their feet. Let's see which animal friend is hiding next. Ribbit! It's a frog! Hello, frog friend! Which color will our frog friend choose? Red! What a bold choice! Let's roll out our red Play-Doh and use our frog cutter. Let's give her 2 eyes. Look at our red frog, so hoppy and happy. Did you know that frogs don't drink water? They absorb water through their skin, and some frogs can jump more than 20 times their body length. That would be like you jumping across an entire playground. Who will we find in our magical bowl now? Wow! It's a tall giraffe! Hello, giraffe friend. Looks like you have some pom-poms stuck to your feet. Which color will our giraffe friend choose? Pink? Brown! Just like a real giraffe's spots. Let's roll out our brown Play-Doh and make a giraffe shape. Now let's give our giraffe an eye. Let's give our giraffe some orange spots. Look at our brown giraffe, so tall and proud. Did you know that giraffes are the tallest animals in the world? Their necks can be as tall as a house. And giraffes have the same number of neck bones as humans, just 7, but theirs are much bigger. One last color. Pink. Which animal friend do you think we will find? Who could it be? It's a hippopotamus. Hello, hippo friend. Pink is a perfect color for our hippo. Let's roll out our pink Play-Doh and use our hippo cutter. Let's give our hippo an eye and a couple of stars. Look at our pink hippo, so round and cute. Did you know that hippos can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes? And even though they're very big, hippos can run faster than humans. Now that we've met all our animal friends and made beautiful Play-Doh shapes, let's place them into the wild. Here's our orange turtle friend, our blue elephant, our yellow penguin, our green lion, our red frog, our brown giraffe, our purple zebra, and our pink hippo.
Amazing!
Look at our amazing animal safari. All our colorful animal friends together by the watering hole. Thank you for joining us on this magical animal adventure. We learned about so many amazing animals today. Which animal was your favorite? Don't forget to subscribe and join us for our next adventure. Bye-bye, friends.